how much should you actually spend on engine flushes? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Shoreline Marine Motor Flusher. The Shoreline Marine Motor Flusher caught my attention right away with its practical design and reasonable price of $28.47. If you want to keep your boat's engine in top shape, this is worth a serious look. This motor flusher is designed for both inboard and outboard engines, making it versatile for most boat owners. What I really like is that it helps extend your engine's life by flushing away harmful contaminants like salt, silt, and grime after each use. This means you can increase the longevity of your investment with regular maintenance. With over 700 units sold just this past month, it's clear that many boaters trust this product. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Routine flushing can prevent costly repairs down the line, especially if you frequently use your boat in salt water. Now, some people complained about the flusher not fitting some older engine models. Here's the thing though, if you have a newer model, this should work perfectly, and the price is fair for what you get. This is perfect for you if you own a boat and are looking for an affordable way to keep your engine in great condition. Skip this one if you have an older engine that might not be compatible. It's a solid investment for what you pay. Now, if the Shoreline Marine Flusher's compatibility concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ISURE Marine Universal Engine Flusher. Next up is the ISURE Marine Universal Rectangular Outboard Motor Water Flusher, priced at just $14.76. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this one might be right for you. This flusher is designed to work with a wide range of motors, including brands like Yamaha and Honda, which is a huge plus. It features a simple installation process that connects easily to a garden hose, allowing for quick flushing after every trip. This is crucial because flushing after use prevents buildup that could lead to engine issues. With over 500 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among boaters. Here's why this matters. The convenience of flushing your engine regularly can save you from expensive repairs later. Now, some customers mention that the build quality feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while it might not be as sturdy as higher-priced options, it still gets the job done efficiently for regular maintenance. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use, affordable solution for flushing your outboard engine. Skip this if you have a high-performance engine that requires more robust tools. It's a great value for the money spent. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling tougher corrosion issues. Product number 3, CRC Salt Terminator Engine Flush. The CRC Salt Terminator Engine Flush is next on the list, coming in at $53.79. This one caught my eye due to its specific focus on corrosion prevention, a big concern for boat owners. This product is designed to dissolve harmful salt particles and debris, which can lead to corrosion in your engine. You get a gallon of high-quality protection, and with over 100 units sold recently, it's clear it's making an impact. Here's why this matters. Preventing corrosion can extend engine life significantly, which is essential for anyone who values their marine investment. Now, I did see some feedback about its higher price point. Here's the thing though, if you care about protecting your engine from rust and corrosion, this cost is quickly justified by the potential savings on repairs. This is perfect for you if you frequently use your boat in saltwater and want serious protection for your engine. Skip this one if your usage is mostly freshwater where corrosion isn't a concern. It's a solid investment for long-term engine health. Now, if you're looking for something with a more eco-friendly approach, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 4, Engine AID Cleaning Solution. The Engine AID Cleaning Solution is up next, priced at $20.76. This caught my attention because it offers a waterless approach to cleaning, which is pretty unique. This product effectively cleans engine bays without needing water, making it environmentally friendly. Its non-flammable formula ensures safe usage, and it's designed to tackle dirt, oils, and grease effectively. If you're in a situation where water access is limited for cleaning, this could be a lifesaver. With no reviews yet, it's a bit new to the market, but its features are promising. Here's why this matters. Keeping your engine bay clean not only improves aesthetics, but can also prevent overheating and other performance issues. Now, some users might wish for a more traditional cleaning method. But here's the thing, the waterless feature is a game changer for those who want convenience and eco-friendliness. This is perfect for you if you prioritize an eco-friendly cleaning method and appreciate convenience. Skip this if you prefer using water-based products that may offer a different cleaning experience. It's a good value considering the unique benefits. Now, if that waterless method intrigued you, the next one is a classic solution for salt removal and maintenance. Product number 5, Star Brite Salt Off Concentrate. Finally, we have the Star Brite Salt Off Concentrate, which is a bit pricier but offers excellent value for $N. This product is built specifically for removing salt deposits, making it ideal for marine applications. This concentrated formula not only cleans but also creates a protective polymer layer that helps prevent future salt buildup. It's versatile, suitable for a variety of surfaces, and can even be used on vehicles exposed to road salt. With over 200 units sold recently, it's clear that many users trust this brand. Here's why this matters. Maintaining your engine and trailer from salt damage can significantly extend their lifespan, which is critical if you want to keep everything looking and functioning well. Now, I did find some complaints about the need for additional rinsing after application. Here's the thing though, the results are worth a little extra effort for those who want long-term protection. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable solution for salt removal and want to protect multiple surfaces. Skip this if you prefer a quick one-step cleaning process. It's definitely worth the investment if you care about protecting your gear. So to wrap it up, we've got the Shoreline Marine Flusher for basic needs, the ISURE Marine for budget-friendly options, the CRC Salt Terminator for corrosion protection, the Engine AID for eco-conscious cleaning, and finally the Star Brite for salt removal. Each product has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.